And go.
Alright, need my flashlight. Wow, this works with gloves.
We're fishing for pens. We're fishing for pens. I can't see. There it is. Oh, there's one right there. Get that one.
Am I too far? Too close?
I don't know. I think you're on that blue one right there.
That's what I'm trying to get. Oh!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, shit.
Uh-oh, you got it. You got it.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
We're gonna lose it.
Oh!
That's right there!
Success!
Yes, you got another pen.
Should we look for all of them or no? Nah,
I
that's too
don't know,
long.
it's too much, yeah, too much time.
Done. Success.
This is what we fished out from in there.
Here. Oh.
In that little What?
I lost the straw.
Oh well. We'll have to fish it out later.